Alright, hey guys, Buyers M66. Going for a bit of a ride. It's Friday afternoon, evening, and I have to go up. That's about 50-something miles. I have to go to Manchester, Connecticut. I have to take my amateur radio license test. Now, I'm not going to be a ham, like, hobbyist, but I need it for the search and rescue work I do. I don't need it, but it's recommended and it just makes it easier. So, I'm going to go take that test. I hate taking tests. I know the stuff pretty good. And the minute somebody puts a piece of paper in front of me and says, oh, yeah, you just have to get the answers right, and if you don't, you're going to fail. Yeah, I freeze up. My sphincter gets a little tight, and I'm like, oh shit, I don't know anything. So, we'll see. But, I gotta get some air in these tires, and I gotta get some gas. And then we'll stretch it out on the highway, and then that's it. So, been watching a lot of videos, a lot of KLR guys. I'm finding a lot of KLR guys out there making videos. I think that's awesome. So, and I'm getting really psyched for my trip. A little less than 2 months away. Went out and got filters and new plugs. I'll put a new plug in when I do an oil change. And then I'll take a spare plug just in case. I mean, this plug's been in here and I've got, 12, actually I got 14,000 miles on it. Only 4,500 on this odometer. But that's because I had the whole gauge changed out. And, yeah, I'm sure the plug's fine, but you know what, it's going to be a while on the bike. I just want to take it, make sure everything is the way it's supposed to be. And like I said, do a new filter. I got 2 filters, so I'll take a spare filter with me because I can get oil anywhere. And the only other thing I have to do is find the right outlet that I want. Oh, I just noticed my mirror's not set up. I'll get that when I stop. I want to get that 12-volt outlet for right there, and I want to get a decent one. I'm probably just going to order it online. Please tell me this little bridge thing here, they had it closed all frickin' day long. And to get where I need to go, I normally take this every day, and it's like 7 miles out of my way to get around it. Wow, I feel really slippery, like loose. I know I must have a hole in my tire. Something. I haven't felt this loose in a while. Didn't look it, but I'll find out when I stop at the gas station that I get air, which isn't the gas station that I get gas at. Because the gas station I get gas at charges me for air. And the one that I get air at doesn't. But their gas prices are generally a little higher. So, it's like 4:45. Traffic's going to pick up. I'm not going up 95 this time. I'm going to go to Merritt Parkway. It'll probably be more stop and go traffic, but it's actually less vehicles. If that makes any sense. It's just a smaller byway. Oh yeah, this feels really loose. Something's wrong. It's very windy too, so that could be part of it. You got wind gusts at about almost 20. My guess is it's just the air. they're blowing. Trees over there. Parkway's a lot bigger. Shelter too. Shouldn't be. And I'll be coming back later tonight. Actually, I'll probably come back tomorrow. I'll probably stay at the cottage tonight. I'll be gone later than I normally want to be, and I have no big problems riding at night. But if I have a beer or two after, I won't get on the bike. I'm a big wuss when it comes to that. If I have more than 2 beers, let's see what I got going on, because I have a feeling I got a flat. Let's see. What do I got? Oh, I got a flat. Son of a bitch. Well, I'm not taking a bike tonight. Oh, that sucks. Let's see if I can get some air into it. Well, this does what happens. I hate getting flats. Because that means I'm screwed for the whole week. Oh yeah, I got nothing in there. It's hard doing this with the helmet on. I haven't ridden the bike for a couple of days. I knew something like that, that just sucks. Well, get a new tube for that. Let's check the front. My bet is this one's fine. Just felt like the back. And just the back. Just top this one off. Well, looks like it's going to be a short ride. Let's see what happens. Well, let's ride it for a few minutes, see what happens. I'll go get gas. I really wanted to ride the bike tonight. Let's go get gas at least. So, oh, I was talking about YouTube videos. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of KLR guys. I like watching all the bike ones. I'm not a big fan of the stunt bikes. You know, at the end of every video, you get, you know, check this out or check that out, because it's based on the tags that you're looking at currently. I'll watch them every now and then, but I don't get these, you know, stunt riders. You're on the highway pulling wheelies at 85 miles an hour on a busy street. Just, to me, it's irresponsible. Kind of douchebaggy, in fact. And I've had it happen with me. I'll be driving along and, you know, you get these guys coming on and they'll be blasting by you, and I'll be doing like 75, 80. And they'll blast by me on a wheelie. Come on, the guy in front of you stops on his, slams his brakes on, and you're either gonna ditch it or go through his vehicle. Either way, you're screwing somebody else's day up just because you want to be some tough guy, stunt coordinator, whatever. I don't know. I just like it. That bothers me. So, $4.15 a gallon. $4.15. Yesterday morning, it was $4.07. Alright, not the best place to stop there, pal. Ass. Oh, I'm just going to pull in, then I'm going to stop. Asshole. Let's see what we got here. I love that I can put my gloves right there. I don't have to worry about a damn thing. It's awesome. Alright. No one needs to know my pin. $4.15 a gallon. It's ridiculous. I don't need a lot. Yeah, I got approved, so come on, let's go. There we go. I really wish they put a gauge in these things. Make everything so much easier. Oh, it's kind of hard to check this out with the camera in my face. Sorry, I can't see where I'm at gas-wise, so you're going to have to get the side view of my bike. Alright, that's good enough. There's that. Alright, plenty of room. Only 3 gallons. Oh well. Now when I take the trip, I gotta log all this. Be messing around because I have a blowout. I'm screwed. So I'm going to play the smart roll and go get the truck, the Explorer, which is fine. It just takes so much gas. It gets like 17 miles a gallon. But so be it. Nice little short ride, little gas up. I love the looks people give me. Like, what the hell is that guy doing? You see the camera? Another thing, I wish these things had tubeless tires. I'm just too cheap to go out and buy them. The new rims. That's the smart move going home. I can just get sloppy now. not a lot else going on. It was a great day. I mean, it doesn't look it now, but all day it was like 72, bright sun. All I'm doing all day is screwing down deck boards, put in a boat. That was it. Again. That bite, you know what it is? It's because I did a crappy job putting the wheel on, the tire on. That's why. All my fault. But I cheaped it out and I didn't buy a new tube when I put the new tire on. So that's you know, my fault times two. I should have bought another tube and I should have done it better. So I'll take it off and put another one on. Looks like my Sunday just got busier. I got to do the lawn again. I got to do weed whacking, and now I got to do this. Very disappointing. Oh man, it's getting warm. It's gonna make me late. If I had a better tire, I would just jet out there, but I don't know how much this tire is gonna take. Better I find it out now than going about 70 and my ass end starts slipping everywhere. I've had that happen before, not on this bike. When I was a kid in high school, I had a DT 125 Enduro that I used to drive it all over the place. I'd go up and down the state with it. I'm not supposed to be in school, but I'd take that thing on the highway, I'd just gear it up, wind the piss out of it. And I had one going off, it was only like 50 miles an hour. Holy Christ. It scared the hell out of me. Didn't drop it though. But had to explain to my parents why I wasn't in school that day and what was I doing, you know, 40 miles away from home. So needless to say, that wasn't the best time of my life. Just another grounding. Well, we're going back towards the house. And let's see if your blinker's on, because I know you, there you go. Yeah, you. Alright, my house. At least you get to see going up the big ass hill. You'd be like, what's going on? Back in our parking spot. Alright. That's it.